Hello, everybody. Welcome to our course called Native Architecture. In this lesson 4, we will install the nginx web server and introduce the security group in the cloud. So first we will login our web server. We're login the instance. So we click the instances which is running. We can hear there is one instance. Click here. Okay, the instance ID and the instance state is running. Okay, this is the public IPv4 address. We will login this instance. We collect the instance through this terminal. Okay, we collect the instance through the key pair. Use this command ssh -i and this key pair and the username Ubuntu at the IP address. Okay, click it. Now we have logged the instance successfully, and we install the nginx server. We use this sudo apt-get install nginx. Yes, enter. Yes, continue. Click input y. Yes, now we have successfully installed the nginx software. So we can use this command system ctl status nginx. Yes, we can the status active. It means the nginx server is running. So we can access the nginx web server in the browser. So we can this window IP address, yes, we and the default listening port of the nginx server is 80. But why we use this command call localhost? Yeah, in this call command we can see we have got the server response. It means the web server is running without any problem. But why we can't open this in the window? Now we know this is the problem, because all traffic going to inbound or out from the server is controlled by the security group by the cloud provider. So we here click security. Yeah, the security group, we click it. We can see there are 3 inbound rules. What is the rules? We click. We edit the inbound rules. Edit. So what rules? Yes, we edit the nginx. Yes, where is nginx? We edit the engine's configuration files. Yes, this default file, we use the vi to edit it. Vi default. Yes, this is the port. Okay, lesson 80. This is the default server. Yes, we keep it default. So now we save. Yes, we use the type HTTP and the port is 80 and the source is what? No. Okay. We add the rules. Add the rules. We use the HTTP. Okay. Oh. Delete yes. Custom source. Anyway, because we use the IP version 4. So we click the save rules. Yeah, we can now we click. We reload the page. Okay, we can find it. It's successfully. We can see this window. Welcome to nginx. It means we can access this website. Now we change the default port of the nginx server to another port. We edit the default. We add default. Okay, we change it to the listen port to 88. Yeah, 88. Oh, okay. We can't save it because we have the wrong permissions. So we use the sudo vi default. We have this permission, then we can edit and save the revised files default. Yes. 8. Yeah, okay, we save it. Now we have saved this file. Now we need to restart this nginx server to take the port effectively active. Now we use this command sudo systemctl restart nginx. Okay, I restart. Now we reload this. What happened? What will happen? Oh, this site, it hints this site can't be reached. Why we can't reach this site? Okay, this to try checking the collection, checking the proxy and the firewall. Because what's the problem? Yes, we can see because this is about the security group. Because we have changed the port to 88. This is the security group. We must edit the rules in the security group. We click edit inbound rules. Yes, because we have changed the port to 88. only these three rules control the inbound traffic. We must add the rules and allow the traffic go through the port 88. So we must add a rule. We must click add rule, and yes, this is the type we use because we use the TCP protocol. Custom you yeah, or SMP TCP yes, what TCP low. Okay, TCP we must custom okay custom TCP. We input 88. This is the port we just changed the listen port in the nginx configuration file, and the source we allow all the IP addresses to access the nginx server. We click the 40.0.0.0 /0. It means all the IPv4 addresses can. Okay, we save the rules. Okay, it will take effective. So now we reload. Okay, we can reload. Oh, what happened? 88. Okay, we should do we default. To system still restart engine, yeah. System still status engine to check the status. Yes, is running. Local host 88. Yes, we can hear the in this server we can the port 8 no 88, so we the port 88 is active, but we use this. Okay, we must we have the run. We must access the nginx. Use the right URL, the IP address, and the right port. Okay, it's not the default port. If we don't input 88, it's reach through the 80, the default port, so we can't reach it. Okay, now we have successfully reached this nginx server. Okay, and we can find where is the default index file. Okay, we can find the root in the default. Yeah, we can hear the default root directory is the path is the var www and the /html, so we can access this file and can see what's the content. Okay, we quit. The var /www /html. Okay. Oh, www.html. Okay, we use ls. Okay, we index. Okay, yeah, we change it. We add the 6 we add another 888 and we change it. Okay, we quit and use sudo vi index. Okay, 888 and save. We reload and can what happened and the yes, okay, we can there are 888 in the end of this file, so we have successfully changed the default index file. Okay, that's all. Thanks.